everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with another video. For this one, I'm using t-shirt yarn. So the yarn looks something like this. And crocheting with this yarn can be a little bit tricky as the yarns are really stretchable. Also, I have found this leather base for our project today. They're available on Amazon as well of different shape and size. Mine is of 3 into 7 inches in size. Also a leather strap matching with the base. Crocheting hook of 5.5 mm in size, also using a smaller one just to attach the yarn to the base. So let's get started with the process, and before starting, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. You can start with any of the gaps here. Pass the yarn like this and started attaching with the help of single crochet. Hold the extra yarn like this and hide it while making the single crochet. On the corners here, I'm making 2 single crochet on the same gap for a perfect corner. Then fill up all the gaps, and at the end of the row, make a slip stitch at the very first stitch and end the row. For the second row, I'm going to change the hook size to a little bit bigger one. You can totally avoid the step. Then make a chain 1 and keep making single crochet again all around. And at the end, make a slip stitch again and end the row. You have to keep following the same process and make rows after rows until you get your length. For the beginning of each row, you have to make a chain 1, and you can also mark the chain 1 space, and that will be a little bit easier for you to identify the last chain where you have to make a slip stitch. Now keep making single crochet rows after rows. And after 6 rows, this is how it's gonna look like. And here I made total of 16 rows. You can increase or decrease it according to your choice. At the end, just make a slip stitch and cut the yarn like this and pass it through the last loop and secure the extra end. So at the end, my bag became almost 7 into 7 inches in size, almost a square, just for a reference. Now insert the both sides like this and take a long portion of the yarn and double it up. Do not worry about the length, it can be adjustable at the end. And twist a portion like this for a smooth finishing. And pass the yarn from the all sides like this. For an additional step, I'm adding these beads on the yarn. You can totally avoid this step. And secure them with a knot, and at the end, the final step, attach the strap in any of the gaps on the both sides like this. And that's it. It's looked really adorable and pretty by all means, and I hope you like the video and the design as well. Give a big thumbs up and comment down below, and also do not forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye bye.